How to use Venmo for business. To use Venmo for business, it is very simple. You must maintain a personal account as a prerequisite to creating a distinct business profile, which is effective from February 19, 2026. A new user agreement is in place, which includes the removal of Visa Plus for transactions between Venmo and PayPal accounts. Now, to set up your business profile, if you have already set up, by the way, you can open up Venmo and simply tap the login button and log into your business profile over here. Otherwise, if you have a personal account, you log in normally. After you log in, just go to the Me tab and tap the arrow next to your name or the settings gear to select Create a Business Profile option. You can enter your business name, category, and legal business type. Example is sole proprietor or anything as such. You must also provide your SSN or EIN during setup for mandatory tax reporting, and you must complete identity verification in the settings to unlock higher limits. So these are some ways on how you can use and get started with Venmo for business. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.